What we do is, we hold the Damaru with our 3 remaining fingers. What holds the Damaru down, the most pressure is basically this finger and this finger. This finger, not so much, this one's holding it down. Then the Damaru's holder should be thicker and wider, so you have something to grab. If it is just a string, there's nothing to hold on to. Some people put coral and turquoise and amber round beads. Have you seen it? Beads also can hold. The important thing is you need to have a grip. And the grip should be big enough for your whole hand, in case your hand is big. Alright? Then, you have the string going down and you have the da pen. What is the da pen and why do people put beads here and why do they put silver here? Where's that silver Damaru just now? The one he was using. Thanks. Okay, good. This one nice. This one whose? Who? Ooh. This one the best one. Okay. Why do Buddhists who are supposed to be unattached have all these precious, this is not real, it's fake, but it's okay, jewels and silver and adornments and this? Why? Because it is an instrument. It is not a possession, it is an instrument. And when we're playing this instrument for certain rituals, you're offering the sound up to the Buddhas. So the object that the sound comes from should be as beautiful and ornate as possible.